So the second of the two Walmart cases involved a woman who was in a senior position of Walmart Canada, and the total damage award was $1.66 million. Now, a lot of that was due to what was found to be a contractual obligation for severance, but there was an additional $700,000 ordered by the trial judge, 200 of which was for aggravated damages, that is, for emotional suffering, and $500,000 for punitive damages. So these were two huge awards. The trial judge found that the company had made promises to the plaintiff that it would look for something for her internationally to foster her career, which it failed to do. And also, when she was initially demoted from her senior position, she was assigned a temporary position of roving vice president, which was found to be humiliating. And she held that position for about 10 months. And in that time period, it was found the company was trying to convince her or force her to resign unsuccessfully. So these were huge awards. Also, the court found that Walmart had continued to pay her salary and benefits for a period of 11.5 months following her termination. They were contractually obliged to pay it for 2 years. And all of a sudden, she found out they were not paying that amount any further. She was a sole supporter, had 2 children. So there was clearly a lack of good faith in that decision in cutting her off when there was a clear contractual obligation to do otherwise. The court also found that the company's conduct in the litigation was reprehensible. It refused to produce documents it had promised would be produced until a few weeks, days before trial. There are other documents that were clearly relevant that weren't produced until the middle of the trial. So the whole thing was a dog's breakfast caused by Walmart. They got hammered big time. I say $700,000 additional damages, and it was just not a pretty day for Walmart. So hats off to the plaintiff, and hats off to the plaintiff's lawyer, who's Natalie McDonald. She did a great job, and Walmart got hammered again.